Understanding, ponder over, dive into English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unfold the layers of a commonly used phrase in English, ponder over. This phrase has a simple structure, but it packs a significant amount of meaning. So, let's get started and explore its usage and nuances together. Ponder over is a phrase that means to think about something carefully, especially before making a decision or reaching a conclusion. It involves deep and serious thought. For instance, you might ponder over a career choice or a major life change. This phrase comes from the Latin word ponderare, which means to weigh. Much like weighing options on a scale, when you ponder over something, you are metaphorically weighing the different aspects of a situation or decision. To use ponder over correctly, you should pair it with the subject or decision at hand. For example, I need to ponder over the options before I choose my major. She pondered over the problem for days. Remember, it is not used for quick, spontaneous thoughts but rather for deliberate and thoughtful consideration. Let's look at some examples to see how ponder over fits into various sentences. After the meeting, we all took some time to ponder over the new proposal. He sat by the window, pondering over his future plans. These sentences show the phrase in action, highlighting its use in everyday conversation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, ponder over. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use this phrase and what it signifies. Keep pondering over new phrases and expanding your English vocabulary. See you in the next video.